In this video, you'll learn how to change the password of your eBay account. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your account remains secure with a password update. Start by signing into your eBay account using the official website or mobile app. Once you have successfully logged in, locate your profile icon positioned in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu from which you should select Account Settings. This action will take you to your account management page, where you will find various options related to your account. Inside the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Personal Information or Security. This is where you will find the password options. Accessing this section is essential as it allows you to update your login credentials and enhance your account security. Once you are in the correct section, you are ready to proceed to the next step. In the Security or Personal Information section, find the option labeled Password. Next to it, you will see a link that says Edit or Change Password. Click this link and you will be prompted to enter your current password for verification purposes. This step is crucial for ensuring that only the account owner can make changes to the password. After you successfully verify your current password, you will be able to enter your new password in the provided fields. It is important to create a strong and secure password by including a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A robust password significantly enhances the protection of your account from unauthorized access. Once you have entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Take a moment to carefully review both entries to ensure they match exactly. After confirming that the passwords are identical, click the Save or Update button to apply the change to your account. Your new password will take effect immediately, and you may need to sign in again using the updated password on your. Regularly changing your password is a good practice to maintain your account security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.